We begin with breaking news here in Japan. Just minutes ago, the Prime Minister officially declared a month-long state of emergency for Tokyo, Osaka, and 5 other prefectures to curb the spread of the new coronavirus.
We have decided that we are in a situation where nationwide and rapid spread of the infection will have a grave impact on the lives and health of the people. Given this, I hereby declare the state of emergency under the revised new Influenza Special Measures Law, Article 32, Clause 1.
The measure will be in place until May 6th. It covers the following prefectures: Tokyo, Kanagawa, Saitama, Chiba, Osaka, Hyogo, and Fukuoka. The move paves the way for governors of these prefectures to enact various measures on their own. Tokyo's governor is urging people to stay at home. 80 new cases were confirmed in the capital on Tuesday.
I would like to end this fight in the shortest possible time. I'm asking for cooperation from all citizens.
Koike says people will be allowed to go out to buy food and medicine, as well as to visit hospitals while the declaration is in place. Public transportation will also keep running. In Osaka and Hyogo prefectures, reaction to the state of emergency is mixed.
Despite the spread of infection, the government has been reluctant to declare a state of emergency. I feel like it's a bit late.
I'm a new employee and really worried about what will happen in the future.
I think a state of emergency is necessary, and I will definitely cooperate.
So the Prime Minister has issued a state of emergency in Japan, and I honestly don't even know what that means, because it's not like there's any drastic change. I went on the road today. I went to my train station and some of the stores were closed. My part-time jobs, they have been cancelled. So all my part-time classes for the month of April, they have been cancelled. So that's no money for me, but that's fine. It's better to be safe than to earn money and then I would have to use that money to pay my medical bills, if you get what I'm saying. So all my part-time jobs have been cancelled, but my full-time job, I got an email today which state that I should report to work on Friday and I should follow the working hours as stated on my contract. So I'm going to be going to work on Friday. I'm not sure. I'm gonna follow my gut feeling. If I don't feel like I should go to work, I'm not gonna go to work, because my health comes first before a job. The numbers are at almost 5,000 cases in Japan, so they say, and there are over 1,300 in Tokyo and over 300 cases in Kanagawa. So I live in Kanagawa. Kanagawa is next to Tokyo, so pretty much the most cases in Japan is in Tokyo, and I live next to Tokyo. So I don't know, and I just feel like there are many more cases, but it just hasn't yet been reported. So I would like to stay home, but I don't think that's gonna be possible since my job wants me to go to work, even though there won't be any kids there to teach. But I'm just watching. Like I said, I'm following my gut feeling. If I don't feel like going to work, I'm not gonna force it. I'm not gonna go to work. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, you know, wear my mask, and you know, like I always wash my hand before I eat. I always ensure that whatever clothes I wear outside, I don't wear it inside. So little stuff like that I've always done. Based on what I've been hearing and I've been reading, the government don't have the authority to enforce any strict penalties for persons who don't follow the state of emergency, and it's my company. But yeah, it is what it is, and I don't know what else to say than stay safe, guys, and hopefully this too shall pass. Know that I don't have my part-time job, so I'm gonna have like a lot of time in the afternoons when I come home from work. What do you guys do to be productive and to ensure that you're not wasting your time, like this free time that we have here? What are you guys doing? Because I want to really capitalize on this free time that I have, because it's gonna be a month long. Right after this, there's gonna be Golden Week. Golden Week is like a long holiday in Japan. So if there wasn't any coronavirus, then after spring break would be May Golden Week. That would be a long vacation for me. Anyways, this is a very depressing video. Anyways guys, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and as usual, anything that you need to ask me or say or comment, leave it in the description box below. We'll be right back.